Let's get on over to your first alert weather with meteorologist Aaron Moran, because Aaron, this wild weather ride, we can't get off just yet. We've got a weather alert for tomorrow, and we're talking much colder temperatures, and we're talking some winds, right?
Yeah, all of that going on right now as the severe weather threat has come to an end for us in North Texas, but we're still dealing with some major changes coming from this cold front that has passed and is still producing severe weather in parts of central Texas and especially East Texas, and that threat is going to continue into Louisiana, making our way into tomorrow. Now, just looking at satellite and radar here across North Texas now, it's cloudy, but we look at the local storm reports over the last 12 hours alone. This was a significant severe weather outbreak, particularly with that hail threat as supercells moved from Palo Pinto County into Parker County, Tarrant County, Dallas County, and Kaufman County as well. And I say supercells, look at our Fort Worth time lapse. This is at 4 o'clock this afternoon. We've slowed it down a little bit, but you can see the rotation of this cloud as we get towards 410, the lowering of the cloud deck right there, and then the rain and storms actually moving in. Really impressive time lapse there. We will wait to see what the National Weather Service does as far as storm surveys go for tomorrow and into the weekend to see if there were actually any confirmed tornadoes in North Texas. The tornado watch is still in effect for some parts of central Texas, mainly down towards College Station, and then parts of East Texas as well, including Lufkin. But it is over for us. We promised you once that cold front moved through, the severe weather threat would be done. But we still have impactful weather. A wind advisory remains in effect now through 10 a.m. tomorrow. North-northwest winds at 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting up to 45 miles an hour. Anyone outside tonight, tomorrow, you are going to regret not having that coat. These wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour are dropping temperatures into the 30s, and morning wind chills for some will be in the upper 20s. So not exactly the St. Patrick's Day forecast some of you may have been hoping for, but chilly, some sunshine at least. But these north winds, they're strong in the morning and they're still breezy in the afternoon. Highs look to get into the mid 50s tomorrow afternoon, but I think at best it's going to feel like 50 degrees, and then really just kind of bracing ourselves for these morning feels like temperatures by 9 a.m. feeling like it's 31. And at that point, there will be spots, especially to the north and west, that feel like you're in the upper 20s. And then here's the temperature forecast for Saturday morning. We're going to have some spots dropping to freezing along our Red River counties. And then you're in the mid 30s for Denton and Collin counties, upper 30s for Tarrant and Dallas counties. Into the weekend, it's not a big warm up. It's a cold start on Saturday. It's a cold day Saturday afternoon with a high of 57. Sunday, we've got a high of 52 with mostly cloudy skies. Now, the temperatures do rebound as we get towards Tuesday of next week. Low 60s finally, mid 70s on Wednesday. But Nicole, how about we do this again next Thursday, because we're already looking at a 60% chance for showers and storms and indications that severe weather is likely.
No, please, we don't want it.
I'm sorry.
It's like the third Thursday in a row. Are we cursed?
It's just a pattern. It's just a pattern.
It's just Texas. All right, Aaron, thank you.